Hello everyone, my name is Johan Steyn. I'm an author, thought leader, and recognized as one of the top 50 voices in artificial intelligence globally. I have made it my life mission to demystify AI and delve into the tangible benefits it can bring to companies like yours. I'm psyched to chat to the brainiacs from South African-based company OQLIS in a series of super simple conversations unpacking artificial intelligence. We promise that you will have AI FOMO at the end of these talks, and ask yourself, can your business afford not to invest in AI analytics? In a world where the population growth is exceeding the availability of energy supply, there is a dire need to better manage our resources. Technology can play a significant role in this regard. OQLIS is a forward-thinking provider of AI and smart technology platforms that can help both small and large organizations to better manage their energy management needs. So Andrew, when I think about energy or opening my taps at home or in my business, I don't always equate it with data and AI and stuff. So please tell us a bit more about the correlation between those two.
So definitely, I think when you look at energy usage, obviously, in order to know how much energy usage you're actually drawing, you need to track that information. So I think that's where the IoT space has played a lot into the energy management space, is that you need to start tracking this information. And then what you'll find is that once you start tracking the information and viewing it in summary and viewing those trends, you'll tend to self-correct and self-optimize. So if you're noticing patterns within your usage that you know shouldn't be there, like should the lights be on at 12 o'clock at night, or should the tap be left on that long, you'll actually start self-correcting. So visibility is the first step towards optimization. And then obviously on top of that, AI can come into play to detect usage patterns and to know when usage patterns are going in and outside their particular thresholds.
Sean, this is quite a relevant topic here in South Africa, where we struggle with energy supply. So South African business leaders, how can they utilize the OQLIS platform given the constraints that we are dealing with at the moment?
Well, like Andrew said, is visibility is key. So if you don't know what you aren't doing in your business, how are you going to know whether it's good, bad, or ugly at that stage? So in terms of business, leaders need to look at their data, or look at the consumption and the utilization, and to be able to make proper informed decisions around it. So as a leader within South Africa, and the current crisis with utilities, is you need to be able to know what's going on with your environment so that you can take action to improve that situation.
Okay. Andrew, so all this data being produced by taps and electricity switches and the like, what role does data play, and how can we use data effectively, and from a platform point of view? Why not just try and interpret the data myself? Why do I need a smart AI platform like OQLIS?
So one of the great things about OQLIS is that it actually allows you to productize and essentially monetize the data you're collecting. So some of our customers in the utility space have been mining and collecting this data for years, even decades. But what they've struggled with is, how do they provide it back to their customers in a useful way that customers want to consume? So essentially what our customers use OQLIS for is they build energy management dashboards and essentially productize it and white label it as an offering to their customer. They can then on-sell those insights and leverage a platform like OQLIS, which, if they don't want to develop some of these solutions themselves, can actually leverage what we've done within our platform.
Okay. As business leaders here in South Africa, we've got little control over energy supply, but we can utilize better the energy and the resources that we have. You most likely have a lot of data, even if you don't know it, on your building and your facilities. So what to make of that data and how to predict the future with that data is really what the OQLIS platform can provide you with.